Are you ready to master Capcut in minutes? Whether you're a beginner or an expert, we've got you covered. This is part of our library of quick Capcut tutorials for easy editing solutions. In this super quick video, I'm going to show you how to export the selected clip in Capcut on PC and Mac. So let's say I only want to export a small section of this clip here. Let's drag it onto our timeline. And what you want to do is first drag the playhead to the start where you want to export. So let's say around here. Then you want to press I on the keyboard. Then move the playhead to the last section of the clip. So let's say around here. And then press O on the keyboard. Then it'll make this mark like that. So we can see the whole clip is 19.23 seconds here under the player. But if we come up to export now, you can see the duration is only 6 seconds, as it'll only export that little section that we have put at the start and the beginning using I and O. If you want to remove that section, you can just come down here and select cancel. And now when you export, it'll export the whole clip. So that's how to export the selected clip in Capcut on PC and Mac. But the journey doesn't end there. Dive deeper into the world of Capcut with our dedicated playlist of tutorials. Learn everything from basic edits to advanced techniques that will take your videos to the next level. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description below or on screen now to start watching.